such a mess I gotta clean. Well, almost done. Well, not really. I gotta power wash all that. Get all this shit out of here. Got the control arms. Throw it back together. Alright guys, till next time. So today guys, we're taking this apart. We are going to finish taking this apart. I want to show you guys the carnage of the damage, and then we will take it from there. And then yeah, we're going to take 3 pistons out. The crank I know is no good, so I'm not going to bother with that, but it has to come out anyway to get the pistons. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. Stay tuned to find out.
Empty victories on a broken shelf, holding all the weight like I could carry tomorrow, finding temporary peace and temporary borrow. Then you stepped in, didn't see failure, didn't see shame. You called me by your future instead of by my name. Now every setback is another testimony, because redemption's never finished when you're holding me. Take these hits, take these scars, take the pieces. I've been hiding in the dark. If you can raise the dead, you can rebuild me. I'm not finished yet, no, I'm just beginning. Your mercy writes a better ending. Every mountain, every valley, every broken road led me to your glory. You don't abandon what you call your own. The builder never leaves until the work is done. I'm not finished yet. I'll be coming, still building, still changing, still becoming, because the builder never quits.
Alright, carnage time.
Yeah, everybody's got an opinion. Too broken, too far gone, too damaged. But the builder hasn't walked away. Yeah, hasn't walked away. Oh, yeah, yeah. They counted me out before I ever stood a chance. Looking at the wreckage instead of the Father's hands. Judged every scar, every crack in my soul. Never saw the purpose hidden under the holes. Life hit hard, left pieces on the floor. Thought I lost everything, I couldn't see anymore. But mercy wasn't finished, grace was still alive. Sometimes the greatest rebuild starts when something dies. Every broken road, every shadow.
Alrighty, so this is all the carnage from this engine. Look at this. Wow. Soaked up water. So what we have, bent. We got a bent rod, completely bent. We got another bent rod. It's like arching. I'm not supposed to do that. This one said, I'm out of here. Fuck the bullshit. I'm gone. And then when that one went, it ate up the block. It ate all this up. So yeah, really nothing left to this. Kind of stripped it to the bone. You know, look at the carnage. Yep. Very sad because whoever had this took care of it. It was good. It was in really good condition until they sucked up water, and then the rod exited through there. Well, most of it through underneath the housing for the water thermostat. Everything else was salvageable. Fucking crank was mint. I don't know how that survived. And this one, out of all of them, was the only one that survived. Alright guys. Stay tuned for when we start putting this one together. Salvaging these parts from here. And then posting it on here. And using all this paint here to paint. So, a lot of work to be done. Please like, share, subscribe. This is the 2006 Acura Type-S video where we're getting shit done. And then I bought this sign because it says this is where things get done eventually, which is pretty cool. Alright, I got a mess to clean. Stay tuned, guys.